another afterwork drift event, Christmas edition, including our Christmas challenge. So what we did is we set up some prizes, some good prize money for the best social media content, best car disguises, and best driver disguises, and of course all of it in a Christmas fashion. And as you can see and will see, there was some really nice stuff that came out and people really went for it. So yeah, I'll show you around, I'll show you the action. Probably not in the, I got the S13 with me, but I probably won't unload it. There's too much snow, so we'll see how that goes. But I'll show you around and I hope you have fun.
Especially Volvo with some holes in the engine.
Woo! Oh! Oh! Oh!
Der Kollegin zeichnet.
Kleiner Trostpreis zum Schlochten ist ein bisschen doppelt. Oh ja, Motor. Lang weiter driften. Dankeschön. Dann auf dem zweiten Platz. Da können wir dann trotzdem noch vor im Heimtag. Der Silberi. Ja. Und dann auf dem ersten Platz. Es war schwierig, aber wir haben uns entschieden für den Timo. Mit Abstand der grösste Mann. Definitiv. Ist der Schnaps leer geworden. Okay, dann kannst du jetzt noch einen geben, oder? So guys, that was our afterwork drift Christmas special event. I hope you really liked it. People had a lot of fun. People really put their effort into the Christmas challenge, which I really liked, and which in the end this drifting is all about, having fun. I hope you liked it. I hope you'll be here next time. I hope you'll subscribe to the channel, comment, like, all of that good stuff, and I'll see you soon. Bye bye.
Merry Christmas and Happy New Year!